Hug your loved ones tight. Hug your loved ones tight. Love unconditionally. Love unconditionally. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the best medicine. Forgiveness heals wounds. Forgiveness heals wounds. Start each day with a positive mindset. Start each day with a positive mindset. Follow your dreams with determination. Follow your dreams with determination. Open your heart to new possibilities. Open your heart to new possibilities. Search for happiness within. Search for happiness within. Sing your favorite song with passion. Sing your favorite song with passion. Close the door on negativity. Close the door on negativity. Destruction often leads to creation. Destruction often leads to creation. Sleep is essential for a healthy life. Sleep is essential for a healthy life. Find joy in every moment. Find joy in every moment. Hide your worries and embrace joy. Hide your worries and embrace joy. Wait for the right moment to act. Wait for the right moment to act. Missing someone means they are important. Missing someone means they are important. Do your best in everything you do. Do your best in everything you do. Try new things and embrace challenges. Try new things and embrace challenges. Call your loved ones often. Call your loved ones often. Take a moment to appreciate life. Take a moment to appreciate life. Cry if you need to, it's okay. Cry if you need to, it's okay. Fight for what you believe in. Fight for what you believe in. Lies may hurt more than the truth. Lies may hurt more than the truth. Hatred only breeds negativity. Hatred only breeds negativity. Receive love with an open heart. Receive love with an open heart. Recognize the beauty in diversity. Recognize the beauty in diversity. Stealing is never justified. Stealing is never justified. Save precious moments in your heart. Save precious moments in your heart. Smile, it brightens your day. Smile, it brightens your day. Dream big and work towards it. Dream big and work towards it. Take each day as it comes. Take each day as it comes. Quiet your mind in moments of chaos. Quiet your mind in moments of chaos. Loud voices can be overwhelming. Loud voices can be overwhelming. Shout for joy when you're happy. Shout for joy when you're happy. Hear the whispers of nature. Hear the whispers of nature. Embrace silence for inner peace. Embrace silence for inner peace. Soft music soothes the soul. Soft music soothes the soul. Rough times make you stronger. Rough times make you stronger. Smooth transitions lead to success. Smooth transitions lead to success. Life is wrinkled with challenges. Life is wrinkled with challenges. Sticky situations require careful handling. Sticky situations require careful handling. Sharp minds cut through difficulties. Sharp minds cut through difficulties. Silky moments of serenity are precious. Silky moments of serenity are precious. Spongy cushions provide comfort. Spongy cushions provide comfort. Fluffy clouds bring a sense of peace. Fluffy clouds bring a sense of peace. Tingles of excitement are invigorating. Tingles of excitement are invigorating. Numbness shields from pain. Numbness shields from pain. Gently touch the hearts of others. Gently touch the hearts of others. Caress the ones you love. Caress the ones you love. Grab opportunities with both hands. Grab opportunities with both hands. Smell the roses along the way. Smell the roses along the way. The scent of success is sweet. The scent of success is sweet. Fragrance lingers in memories. Fragrance lingers in memories. Stench warns of danger. Stench warns of danger. Smelly situations require attention. Smelly situations require attention. Fresh air invigorates the soul. Fresh air invigorates the soul. Pungent odors can be overwhelming. Pungent odors can be overwhelming. Musty corners hold forgotten memories. Musty corners hold forgotten memories. Rotten situations need resolution. Rotten situations need resolution. Smoky rooms carry a mysterious air. Smoky rooms carry a mysterious air. Stink of failure can lead to success. Stink of failure can lead to success. Taste the sweetness of success. Taste the sweetness of success. Flavor your life with diverse experiences. Flavor your life with diverse experiences. Trying new things can be exhilarating. Trying new things can be exhilarating. Delicious moments are worth savoring. Delicious moments are worth savoring. Perfect is a subjective concept. Perfect is a subjective concept. Appetizing food satisfies the senses. Appetizing food satisfies the senses. Sweet memories warm the heart. Sweet memories warm the heart. Sugary treats bring joy. Sugary treats bring joy. Bland experiences teach valuable lessons. Bland experiences teach valuable lessons. Describing feelings can be challenging. Describing feelings can be challenging. Distance creates a sense of longing. Distance creates a sense of longing. Open minds welcome new ideas. Open minds welcome new ideas. Wide horizons inspire exploration. Wide horizons inspire exploration. Narrow viewpoints limit understanding. Narrow viewpoints limit understanding. Far places evoke a sense of wonder. Far places evoke a sense of wonder. Close connections bring warmth. Close connections bring warmth. Joyful hearts spread happiness. Joyful hearts spread happiness. Funny stories bring laughter. Funny stories bring laughter. Serious moments require contemplation. Serious moments require contemplation. Shy smiles hide inner strength. Shy smiles hide inner strength. Brave souls face challenges head-on. Brave souls face challenges head-on. Crazy adventures make the best stories. Crazy adventures make the best stories. Contentment is a state of mind. Contentment is a state of mind. Happy memories last a lifetime. Happy memories last a lifetime. Worried minds need reassurance. Worried minds need reassurance. Nervous energy signals excitement. Nervous energy signals excitement.